Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to our solar system. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away on the cosmic scale. Well, about 4.24 light-years away, which is over 25 trillion miles. Stay tuned as we uncover some incredible facts about this intriguing celestial neighbor. So, how far is Proxima Centauri, really? Well, if we hopped aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, which clocked in at a cool 18,000 miles per hour, it would still take us roughly 165,000 years to reach our nearest stellar neighbor. That's longer than the entirety of modern human history. This distance, while vast, makes Proxima Centauri an incredibly enticing target for scientific study. It's close enough that we can observe it in detail, learning about the nature of stars beyond our own sun. Proxima Centauri is what astronomers call a red dwarf star. It's the closest known star to the Sun, located just over 4 light-years away in the constellation of Centaurus. Now, don't let the name fool you, it's not some intergalactic fire-breathing dragon. The term red dwarf might sound fierce, but these stars are quite the opposite. Red dwarfs are actually the smallest and coolest kind of stars on the main sequence. They have a lower mass and temperature compared to other stars, making them less luminous. Proxima Centauri, specifically, is an M-type main sequence star, with a classification of M5.5V. This classification indicates its spectral type and luminosity class. That means it's pretty low on the stellar totem pole in terms of size and temperature. But don't underestimate these little guys. Despite their small size, red dwarfs are incredibly resilient. They're incredibly common and live for a very, very long time. In fact, red dwarfs can burn for trillions of years, far outlasting stars like our Sun. Their longevity makes them fascinating objects of study for astronomers. Compared to our Sun, Proxima Centauri is a real lightweight. It's only about 12% the mass of our Sun, and about 14% its radius. To put that into perspective, if the Sun were a basketball, Proxima Centauri would be about the size of a golf ball. But don't let its diminutive stature fool you. It's still a mighty furnace, fusing hydrogen into helium in its core, just like our own star. Chapter 4. A dimly lit neighbor. You know how our Sun bathes the Earth in light and warmth? It's the reason we have daylight, seasons, and the energy that fuels life on our planet. The Sun's rays are essential for photosynthesis in plants and for keeping our planet at a habitable temperature. Well, Proxima Centauri is much more of a wallflower when it comes to luminosity. Unlike our Sun, it doesn't shine as brightly or provide the same level of energy. It shines with only about 0.17% of the Sun's luminosity. Imagine a light bulb that is barely glowing compared to a bright spotlight. That's Proxima Centauri in comparison to our Sun. That means if you were standing on a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, you'd need some seriously strong sunglasses. The light would be so dim that it would be like perpetual twilight, even at noon. This dimness is actually one of the reasons red dwarfs are so long-lived. They burn through their fuel much more slowly than their larger, brighter counterparts. Because they are so efficient with their energy, red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri can last for billions, even trillions of years, far outliving stars like our Sun. Chapter 5. A stellar family reunion. Proxima Centauri isn't alone out there in the vastness of space. It's actually part of a triple-star system called Alpha Centauri. This system also includes two much larger Sun-like stars, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, which orbit each other relatively closely. Proxima Centauri, on the other hand, is a bit of a distant cousin, orbiting the Alpha Centauri AB pair at a much greater distance. Chapter 6. A world of possibilities. Proxima Centauri B. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Proxima Centauri B is not just any exoplanet, it's one of the most intriguing discoveries in recent years. Astronomers have discovered a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, aptly named Proxima Centauri B. This discovery has opened up a new chapter in our quest to find life beyond Earth. And get this, it orbits within the star's habitable zone. This means it has the potential to support liquid water, which is essential for life as we know it. That's the sweet spot around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Imagine the possibilities if we could find signs of life there. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, being in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee a planet is actually habitable. There are many other factors to consider, such as the planet's atmosphere and magnetic field. But it's certainly a tantalizing clue. The discovery of Proxima Centauri b has sparked the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike, fueling our curiosity about the universe. Chapter 7. Another world? Proxima Centauri c. But wait, there's more. Astronomers have also detected hints of another possible planet in the system, Proxima Centauri c. This one is thought to be a super-Earth or mini-Neptune, orbiting much farther out from the star than Proxima b. However, Proxima c's existence is still up for debate, and will need more observations to confirm whether it's the real deal. Chapter 8. Hidden worlds? Who knows what other secrets Proxima Centauri might be hiding? There could be additional planets orbiting the star, just waiting to be discovered. As our telescopes and observational techniques continue to improve, we might just find more planetary companions around this intriguing star. Chapter 9. Stellar tantrums, Proxima's flares. Proxima Centauri might be small, but it's got a fiery temper. It's classified as a flare star, which means it can unleash sudden, intense bursts of energy, known as flares. These flares are like super-powered solar flares, releasing huge amounts of radiation. While mesmerizing to watch, these flares could pose a challenge to the habitability of any planets orbiting Proxima Centauri. Chapter 10. A rocky road to habitability. Imagine living on a planet where the star could unleash a massive flare at any moment. Talk about a bad sunburn. These flares could strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it exposed to the harsh radiation of space. And that's not all. Powerful flares could even blast away any liquid water on the surface, making for a pretty inhospitable environment for life as we know it. Chapter 11. Our Cosmic Backyard Laboratory. Despite the challenges, Proxima Centauri and its planetary system offer an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery. Proxima b in particular is one of the closest exoplanets to Earth, making it a prime target for studying the atmospheres of worlds beyond our solar system. Chapter 12. A glimpse into another world. In the future, powerful telescopes might be able to directly image Proxima b, capturing light from its atmosphere. This would allow us to analyze the composition of its air, searching for telltale signs of water vapor, methane, or other molecules that could hint at the presence of life. Reaching for the star's breakthrough Starshot. Imagine sending a spacecraft to another star system within our lifetime. That's the ambitious goal of Breakthrough Starshot, a project aiming to send tiny, light-propelled probes to Proxima Centauri. If successful, these probes could reach the star in just a few decades, beaming back close-up images and data from this fascinating system. Chapter 14. A star's fickle nature. Proxima Centauri's brightness isn't constant. It fluctuates over time due to its internal activity, earning it the classification of a variable star. These variations, though subtle, provide valuable clues about the star's magnetic fields and internal processes. How do we even know Proxima b exists if we can't see it directly? Well, astronomers use a clever technique called the Doppler method, which detects the tiny wobbles in a star's motion caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. These wobbles are incredibly small, but sensitive instruments can pick them up, revealing the presence of unseen worlds. Proxima Centauri was discovered in 1915 by the Scottish astronomer Robert Innes. He noticed that this faint star appeared to be moving in tandem with the brighter Alpha Centauri AB pair, suggesting they were gravitationally bound. Its name, Proxima, meaning nearest in Latin, reflects its status as the closest star to our Sun. It's no surprise that Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, has captured the imaginations of science fiction writers and filmmakers. It's often depicted as a destination for future human exploration, a place where we might one day encounter extraterrestrial life. From books to movies to video games, Proxima Centauri continues to inspire our dreams of reaching out to the stars and unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content about our universe. We've only just scratched the surface of what there is to learn about Proxima Centauri, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and we'll see you next time